Mastrovoida, member of the board of the Sicilian project, and this is Alfred Zappala. He is the founder and chairman of the board, and we're going to show you highlights from one of the camps outside of Palermo in just a few minutes. But first, Alfred, why was the Sicilian project started?
Well, thanks to the board of directors, the executive committee, right now our president, Johnny Owens, and Giovanni Lanza, our treasurer, and our executive committee. We've been pushing different locations throughout Sicily, and it's working out pretty good right now.
Okay, enjoy highlights.
Shake your arms, jump around, stop your way, spin around, nod your head, stamp your feet.
These children are getting conversational and interactive English classes in the little hilltop village of San Giuseppe Jato in the province of Palermo on a fall Sunday afternoon.
19, 20, 1 and 2 and 3 little numbers, 4 and 5 and 6 little numbers.
Chocolate and strawberry. What is your favorite gelato?
Gelato chocolate.
My favorite gelato is chocolate. Children are getting much needed additional English classes that are lacking in some public schools in Sicily. You must feel so proud watching these children.
Well, this is the fourth year that we've done it, and Giussi and her brother Nunzio have put together some wonderful programs. This particular program essentially is for little children learning English through art. And today it's music. But there are other activities for the children, and they take place in different locations.
My name is Denise.
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Rafael.
Raphael, nice to meet you. Giussi's a dedicated teacher, and her brother Nunzio does it from his heart. These folks are related to our former president and current treasurer, Giovanni John Lanza from Texas, whose heart is as big as this. We're just trying to get kids to understand English, to prevent them, when they get older, not to join the unemployment line. It's very important that they learn English.
I have got an enrichment from this project for me as a person and as a teacher too, of course.
Plus, bonds and connections are bridged and strengthened between Sicilians and their families and friends in the United States.
It's important too to establish and to keep in contact, with many people in the USA that are of Sicilian origin, and so it could be and it is very useful to be in contact with them in a certain way.
Questo è molto importante, questa iniziativa che prende la The Sicilian Project ogni anno, grazie a Giovanni Lanza, Alfred ed Esther, che ci permettono in Sicilia di dare l'opportunità dei bambini di poter gioire, di poter arricchire la loro cultura, cosa che purtroppo manca. Questa iniziativa che prende la The Sicilian Project ogni anno è molto importante, perché i bambini gioiscono, e sinceramente, essendo i bambini il futuro, è bello vederli ridere.
Alfred, I love watching those children singing, and really it's all about planting a seed, a love for the English language.
All we have to do is turn around one, and we're going to turn them around one at a time, but we need your help.
We thank everyone who's made these camps possible, including Giussi and Nunzio in the Palermo area, but really we hope to keep bringing these camps all over Sicily. So if you could help us out, that would be great. www.thesicilianproject.com.
It's really worthwhile. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ciao.